kid was flying.
Come on, Kazzy, let it roll, buddy, let it roll.
Go, Kaz.
Come on, Kazzy, woo!
Absolutely.
There's
Oh,
Kaz.
look smaller. That was a big man.
John, that's
Kaz
Kaz.
is shredding.
This is Vincent's.
Big man,
Wow.
look at the angulation.
Look at that kid go.
Tuck it, big man.
Yeah, buddy. Woo! Go, buddy. Set it up, set it up, set it up.
Check that out.
Good job, Kaz. He looks awesome.
Big man, he looks very good.
Yeah, get that tuck, buddy. Nice.
Wow. So what's on there, are we on, Susie?
601.
Well, now we're on 544. This is 544 coming down.
Big man, congratulations on your prodigy.
Yeah, look at that kid go.
Like 30 or 40 kids.
Yeah.
Our kids.
We got a ways.